Hello children, integration using trigonometric identities. Exercise 7.3. When the integrand involves some trigonometric functions. Here we can see that we have to find the integral of sine square of 2x plus 5. Here the integrand involves some trigonometric functions. We use some known identities which we learnt in class 11 to find the integral of trigonometric functions. First question, sine square of 2x plus 5. Here I have written as I equal to integral of sine square 2x plus 5 dx. Take 2x plus 5 as t, and differentiating this we get 2 into dx, which is equal to dt. Here the constant, when we differentiate the constant, it will become 0. So 2 into dx is dt. So dx is dt by 2. Here we have to substitute this in this integral. So I equal to sine square t. So dx is dt by 2. So sine square t into half. Now we have to integrate this using the trigonometric identities. So cos 2t is 1 minus 2 sine square t. I am rewriting this as 2 sine square t, which is equal to 1 minus cos 2t. So sine square t is 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Here I am going to apply this sine square t as 1 minus cos 2t by 2 over here. So this can be written as 1 by 2 of 1 minus cos 2t by 2 into dt. So separating this, we get 1 by 4 1 into dt minus 1 by 4 integral of cos 2t dt, which is equal to 1 by 4 integral of dt is t. So 1 by 4 of t minus 1 by 4 of integrating cos 2t, we get sin 2t by 2 plus some constant c. Now we have to replace t as 2x plus 5. So this will become 1 by 4 of 2x plus 5 minus 1 by 8 sine of 2x plus 5 plus c. We can multiply this, we get 2x by 4 plus 5 by 4. So 2x by 4 is x by 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 8 sine 2x plus 5 plus some constant c. Now I am writing this 5 by 4 plus c as some c dash. So I equal to x by 2 minus sine of 2x plus 5 by 8 plus c dash, where c dash is 5 by 4 plus c. So in this problem we have just substitute t as 2x plus 5 and using the trigonometric identities. Second one, find the integrals of sine 3x cos 4x. So I have written I equal to integral of sine 3x cos 4x dx. So I am going to use trigonometric formula 2 sine a cos b, which is equal to sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Here we don't have 2 in this function, so I am going to multiply and divide by 2 so that I can use this trigonometric formula. So 1 by 2 of 2 into sine 3x cos 4x dx. So sine of a plus b, that is sine of 3x plus 4x plus sine of 4x minus 3x. So this will become half of sine of 4x plus 3x is sine 7x minus sine of 3x minus 4x is minus x. So sine x into dx. Now we have to integrate this. So half of sine 7x dx. So integral of sine 7x dx is minus cos x. So minus cos 7x by 7 minus half into integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. So which is equal to minus cos 7x by 14 minus into minus plus. So plus half cos x plus c. Fourth one, find the integrals of sine cube of 2x plus 1. So I equal to integral of sine cube 2x plus 1 into dx. So sine 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So I am taking sine cube a as 3 sine a by 4 minus sine 3a by 4. So I am applying this sine cube a as 3 sine a by 4 minus 3 sine 3a by 4 over here. So writing this as 3 by 4 sine 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 by 4 of sine 3 into 2x plus 1 into dx. So integral of this. I am writing this as 3 by 4 integral of sine 2x plus 1 into dx minus 1 by 4 integral of sine 3 into 2x. So 6x plus 3 into. Now I am going to integrate this function. So 3 by 4 of integral of sine x dx is cos x minus cos x. So minus cos of 2x plus 1. So minus cos of 2x plus 1. So integral of sine 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So I am writing by 2 minus 1 by 4 of integral of sine 6x plus 3 is minus of cos 6x plus 3 whole by 3. Here I have sine 6x. When I integrate this, I am getting minus cos 6x by 6 plus some c. So which is equal to minus 3 by 8 cos of 2x plus 1 minus into minus plus. So plus 1 by 24 cos of 6x plus 3 plus c. Fifth one, find the integrals of sine cube x cos cube x dx. So let I equal to integral of sine cube x cos cube x dx. So without using any trigonometric formula, here we have sine cube x into cos cube x. So I am writing this as sine cube x into cos square x into cos x. So taking cos cube x as cos square x into cos x dx. So I am writing cos square x as 1 minus sine square x cos x dx. Now I am going to use the substitution method. So taking sine x as t. So differentiating this, we get cos x dx equal to dt. Here we have cos x dx and sine x. So substituting this, we get t cube into 1 minus t square cos x dx is dt. Now we have to integrate this. First we will multiply t cube minus t power 5 dt. We can separate this, otherwise we can directly integrate t cube dt minus integral of t power 5 dt. So when we integrate t cube dt, we get t power 4 by 4 minus, when we integrate t power 5, we get t power 6 by 6 using the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So plus c. So which is equal to, replacing t is sin x. So sin power 4x by 4 minus sin power 6x by 6 plus c. Seventh one, find the integrals of sin 4x sin 8x. So let I equal to integral of sin 4x sin 8x dx. So we have trigonometric formula 2 sin a sin b, which is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So multiplying and divide by 2. So half of integral of 2 sin 4x sin 8x dx. So cos a minus b. Here a is 4 and b is 8x. So 4x minus 8x minus cos of 4x plus 8x dx. So cos of 4x minus 8x is minus 4x minus half of cos 12x dx. So cos of minus theta is cos theta. So I am writing this as cos of minus 4x as plus cos 4x. So when we integrate, we get, when we integrate cos 4x, we get sin 4x by 4 minus half of, when we integrate cos 12x, we get sin 12x by 12 plus c. So which is half of sin 4x by 4. So sin 4x by 8 minus 1 by 2 into sin 12x by 12. So which is sin 12x by 24 plus c. 8.1. Find the integrals of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So let I equal to integral of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So using the trigonometric identity, half angle formula. So cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So putting xs by 2. So we get cos 2x by 2, which is cos x, equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So 2 sin square x by 2 is 1 minus cos x. Again cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So putting by 2, so we get cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 2 cos square x by 2, which is equal to 1 plus cos x. So replacing 1 minus cos x as 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sin by cos is tan. So I am writing this as tan square x by 2 dx. So writing tan as secant square x minus 1 using the trigonometric identity. So I am writing this as secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. So secant square x by 2 dx minus integral of 1 dx. So integral of secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2 by half minus integral of dx is x plus c. So I equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. 9th one, find the integrals of cos x by 1 plus cos x. So let I equal to integral of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So I add and subtract 1 in the numerator. So 1 plus cos x minus 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So which is equal to, splitting this, 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx minus integral of 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So this will become 1. So integral of 1 dx minus 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. So integral of dx minus 1 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So I am changing this as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So integral of dx is x. So x minus integral of 1 by cos is secant. So I am writing this as half of integral of secant square x by 2 dx. So which is equal to x minus half of integral of secant is tan. So tan x by 2 by half plus c. So I equal to x minus 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Tan x by 2 plus c. 10th one, find the integrals of sin power 4x dx. So let I equal to integral of sin power 4x dx. I am writing sin power 4 as sin square x whole square dx. So sin square x I am writing as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Here using the identity a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x by 4 into dx. So writing this as 1 by 4 integral of 1 dx minus 1 by 4 integral of 2 cos 2x, that is 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 4 of integral of cos square 2x dx. So which is equal to 1 by 4 integral of dx is x minus 1 by 2 integral of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus 1 by 4 integral of. So using this formula, cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here it is cos square 2x. So in the place of x we have 2x. So replacing this as we get cos 4x by 2. So writing cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x by 2 into dx. So which is equal to 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 1 by 8 integral of dx is x plus 1 by 8 integral of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c. I equal to adding 1 by 4x plus 1 by 8x, taking LCM. So 2 plus 1 3 by 8, 3 by 8x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 8 into 4 32. So plus 1 by 32 sin 4x plus c.